I'm not a big fan of dividend stocks. You're Mr. Dividend. Okay?
I love dividends.
Sorry, man. I hate
do.
dividends. You're a scam.
I love dividends, man.
You call me a scam? That's a scam.
No, because dividend stocks, like with companies, they can't fake their income. Like,
If you've ever wanted to kill somebody.
So let's talk about how much you really need invested to live entirely off the dividends, because I've tried just about every passive income idea that you could think of, from side hustles, real estate, marketing programs, and replacing your income with a lot less money than you think. But that comes with a bit of a warning that we'll discuss shortly.
Hi, my name is Andre Jick. Hope you're doing well. Come for the finance and stay for the crypto. Want to be rich? Don't do dividends and don't invest. Do this instead. Step 1, stop buying groceries. You don't need to eat food, you can eat motivation. I'll also show you how this portfolio is now generating $18,500 a year and is on track to automagically turn into a lot more money. And all I have to do is just keep reinvesting the income that it's already paying me, compound interest style. Nope. The critics of dividend investing say that there's nothing magical about dividends. But I beg to differ, because magic's all around us. If you watch my YouTube channel, you can see this totally ordinary looking wallet that actually has more than meets the eye. If you look closer, it has $1. So today I want to show you all the dividend income I've made from investing in all of 2023. If you're not sure what dividend stocks are, I'm going to explain it using Pokemon cards and magic tricks. It's going to get crazy. I quit dividend investing. So let me just take you back to 2014. This is when I first started investing, and I was terrified of putting my money to work in the stock market because, well, I didn't understand how it worked. Let's talk about why I quit dividend investing and what made me change my mind.
The advice that you're going to get on YouTube is going to be people going,
you need to cut your budget. You need to save every dime you get your hands on. You need to live in austerity, rice and beans, and then you'll be able to get ahead. It's nonsense.
I make $17,000 per week, mostly from this little thing called index fund investing, and I'm not the only one.
You need to know what's going on when it comes to index fund investing.
Think of it like a basket of stocks.
This is the simplest way to build wealth for probably 99% of investors.
If you aren't investing, you are literally costing yourselves thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars.
But how do you know which index funds to invest in when there are so many to choose from?
and what new data did Kevin find out today that might change everything?
Restart.
Result.
Opportunity to thank you for viewing Channel 8, and now, as we say good night and good morning, we invite you to join us tomorrow for another full day of...
We now return to our regularly scheduled program.
Dividend stripping. It's a thing. Cum-dividend.